Hi there, YouTube. How's it going? So today I'm going to be videoing something that I ordered as far as detailing and pressure washing goes. A lot of people have the Portland Electric 1750 PSI pressure washer. This one straight down here. That big one. And you can't attach any foam cannon to it, except, as other people have made videos, if you get the Ryobi wand, because it has the bayonet fitting, and then you can order, and that gives you the versatility that you're kind of looking for without having to buy a new unit or buy a new hose and buy a new everything else. So anyway, it's probably going to be a really choppy video, not cuts. I'm going to kind of just do this quick. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so here's a pressure washer. Same one that probably a lot of people have. I'm sorry, my garage is a little bit of a mess, but in the middle of several projects here. Not those. Those are fine. Anyway, so I have bayonet adapter from Ryobi. Got it on Amazon. It was about 20 bucks. This one was not prime. There is a set of 2 that is prime if you want to get it faster. I'm a little impatient, but this time I was like, okay, I'll save a little bit of cash. So there's a bayonet adapter. And there's your quick connect. So I have that. That guy will attach to the gun there. And then I have the, also off of Amazon, Dusichin, however you want to say it, foam cannon. So we'll kind of pull this guy out of the box. I haven't even unboxed it yet. And there's the soap. I just ran up to O'Reilly's. We're going to test that out, but they said it was a good option for foam cannons. Obviously, your better option, if you've watched any other detailed videos, is probably going to be chemical guys and stuff like that. But test run said it was good for foam cannons. Same people use any other type of soap. They're all going to foam. Some foam better than others, but anyway, back to this. So we've got our bottle. Giant bottle, much bigger than the little tiny baby one that comes with this pressure washer. Here, we'll do a little comparison right there. So here's your OEM detergent bottle. Oh, looks like I left a little bit of sudsy water in there. Doesn't matter. And here's your new bottle. Big difference. And we have a tubey for your intake of soap. And this side looks like it's cut more of an angle, so that side probably goes into the bottle. So you're not completely flat against the bottle. And let's see. Yes. What else we got here? We've got the best piece of all. Set it over here so I don't damage anything. Whew. It's a nice heavy-duty fitting. So there is your quick connect fitting, adjustable nozzle, also your adjustable soap rate. Screws onto the top of the bottle there. Awesome. Slide that in there. I'm out of space on my workbench. Cool pocket bike though. Dad's had it for like over 30 years. I'm gonna get it back and running again. Anyway, back to this. This also comes with a various size fittings for the quick connect nozzle. Don't know if you can even, if it states on there what angle each one is. Oh, it does, but the writing's really, really small. So anyway, several nozzles from different sizes here. Yeah, there's a 0 degree. You can see that. And we have, can't really see that at all. What is that? Oh, that's a 40 degree. I doubt the camera will pick that up at all. Probably not. That's a 40 degree. We've got a 25. Let's see. Let's just go through all of them. Why not? This one looks like it's going to be a super wide angle. It's probably for mass blasting. Autofocus. All right. And then we also have a 15 degree. There's no way in hell that the camera's picking that up without a macro lens. No way. But anyway, we got all those fittings that came with it. And this quick fix can all be had to make your Portland pressure washer work with, you know, your typical universal foam cannon. This, I believe, it was free shipping, and it was about I think out the door, well, off of Amazon, it's about 22 bucks. For the foam cannon, or sorry, for the wand, the foam cannon was about 16. So just under 40 bucks, and it'll fix your issue. Then you can use really whatever fitting you want, because now you got the universal one. So I'm going to put the bottle together, snap everything together so you can see how the wand looks. Yeah, and then we're going to give it a test run today. Guys, so I looked at everything, just want to make sure I can get it assembled. Figured I should show you how it all goes together. So here's the finished put together foam cannon. So really, really basic. You got your detergent bottle. Attach the hose to the bottom of the fitting, like so. There's a, well, let's take it apart anyway. A little nipple on the bottom there. Keep forgetting that the camera's reversed. Just attach that, slide it right onto there. Slip it right in there, all gentle, like we always should. Pun intended. Anyway, I know, I'm filthy. There's the wand right here. We've got our gun, bayonet adapter. It's going to come with a little bit of grease on it. Just kind of use it around there. If you have a little bit extra, I went ahead and re-greased the fitting for the pressure washer itself. The hose attachment, go ahead and slip it right in, give it a twist. There you go. And then the universal adapter, just pull it back, slap it in there. Boom, you're ready to go. Yes. Take aim and get ready to play. I'm super excited about this because the detergent bottle works okay on the from the factory one, but dude, anybody who's enjoying detailing and clean cars and seeing these foam cannons at work, it's just a new toy. I can't even fucking handle myself, not gonna lie. So, all right, let's get to it. I'll get everything hooked up. Gonna move some cars around, and we'll get to washing. Foam cannon test. Got our soap. A little up to about here, or so I've seen other people do it in the videos. There was no indicator on the bottle of how much to do, so I'm just kind of gonna wing it, see what happens. Yeah, maybe I should disclose I'm also not an affiliate of any of these products, so I'm not trying to sell them, just trying to help out other detailers there. I mean, if they want to pay me to do this, then that's totally fine, but I'm just a nice freaking guy. So I've got it turned all the way to nothing. Oh, I should note to everybody else, open nozzle, just a little bit. So there we go, open that. Soap mixture right. All right, let's try it on the car now. Okay, so more soap in bottle. Maybe like here or so. And I don't know, not quite 50-50. We'll do like 1/3 and 2/3, but now it's thicker. In the words of Jack Sparrow, much more better. I'm going to soak the whole car and let it sit for like 5-10 minutes and bubble off, and then we're going to blast it off, see how it came out. Go. I'm waiting for my camera lady to tell me that we're going, but apparently we're going already. Anyway, still bubbling off, trying to get the mixture just right. Seems like a 1/4 turn is about where it needs to be. As far as how much soap for water, I guess it depends on the soap. It's not Chemical Guys soap, and that one foams the best from what I've heard, but it's still foamed really well. Bubbling off. I'm about ready to rinse it off. It's been a few minutes now. It's cool. No like direct sunlight or anything. It's late in the day, so no water spots to worry about. But yeah, I guess, well, shit, I guess it's time to start blasting off anyway. So. Alright, so now it's drying time. I'd say it did pretty damn well. It just finished raining here yesterday, but so it wasn't as, I guess, it was pretty damn dirty actually with all the road grime. And that's what I was more concerned about, was seeing how much of the road grime it would actually get off or loosen up, so that when I got closer to it with the washer, it would come off. And it's nice because pretty much all of it came off. It loosened everything. And so now I just gotta get the blow dryer out and blow off as much of it as possible, and then hand dry the rest of it, and I'll be back to follow up. Alrighty then. Alright guys, been a little bit. Now it's nice and dry. Went over it and dried it with the microfiber towels. Still kind of getting used to microfiber towels. For the longest time I was using chamois, which is a really bad idea, because it still doesn't really quite glide over the paint as well and can scratch things. I've been, as of late, it's been a bad idea apparently. I am usually very delicate when I do it. I usually blow the car off first and just kind of dab. But dragging it across your paint is kind of a bad idea. Anyway, I'm rambling now. So here's the car behind me. It's looking pretty shiny actually. I'm really pleased with it. It got pretty much all the road grime off and everything. Again, went over it with the microfiber towel, which the first one always just seems to push the water around, but it moves it into a much finer layer. So the second time around, you really kind of get that shine. And a couple spots hit it with the quick detailer just kind of as a drying aid. So anyway, and there she is in all her shiny glory. No, it's not like a super fancy hot rod or whatever, but yeah, it's our family wagon. The next one that's going to get washed is going to be my beast over there, my truck, my baby. So, I mean, as you can see, it's super clean. The foaming did a really good job. I mean, nothing's going to do the job. Damn, headlights fogged up. I got to get that warrantied. Nothing is going to do quite the job of a, a true scrub. But as I'm trying to kind of perfect the touchless wash here and get into better habits and speed things up, of course, this is a much better and more efficient way to do it with the foam cannon than the regular detergent bottle for that pressure washer. So anyway, yeah. So anyway, hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it informative. If you did, like, subscribe, that'd be awesome. My channel's kind of all over the place. I have a lot of different interests, mainly between motorcycle, dirt bike, quad riding, detailing, and aquariums. So my channel's a little bit all over the place. I can't seem to figure out what the hell I want to do with it. But anyway, I mean, if you're into any of those things, I'm going to be putting out more detailing videos. Because, I mean, I already did the van, I'll do that again. Truck will be next. The trailer is one of the, that one, right? Whoop, back in there. That's going to be one of the big perks of the foam cannon, is something to really kind of deep clean that without scrubbing it. Because, let's be honest, I mean, scrubbing a trailer, even though that one's not the biggest one in the world, it's a, holy crap, it's a lot. So, and drying it is just, it's like not even possible. So anyway, and also this pretty beauty behind me will be another video for detailing. That's our 67 V-dub. Yeah, it's our sweetheart right there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you like. Comment, ask questions, whatever. I've been into car cleaning, kind of like DIY detailing. I'm not a detailer, but I'm really super into keeping things clean. Clean car is a happy car. It's always been my thing. Clean car, happy car. Rather be seen driving a super clean, detailed Honda Civic than a super dirty, nasty, non-taken care of Benz. I mean, let's be honest. Clean car is way better than a dirty car. It doesn't matter what it is. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for taking the time. I've rambled enough. I will be putting out more videos, and anybody that has the Portland Electric pressure washer and is looking for a foam cannon, go on Amazon, get the Ryobi wand, and get whatever foam cannon of your choice. Camden, fuck's Camden. And, charging up again, forgot I left that on. Anyway, yeah, go pick one up and start at it. Try different soaps. I'm going to try some different soaps also. So I'll be updating here and there. I'm not going to waste any more time. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it.